Hi everyone, today we are in Barcelona on the Maxi test boat and I'm going to present you the equipment that we have on the boat. First of all, we have Furuno NavNet TZ3 here that is synchronized with the iPhone and TZ iBoat and the iPad with TZ iBoat as well. We also have TIMEZERO Professional 4.2 installed on the computer that is also synchronized on the same network. TIMEZERO Professional 4.2 is connected to Furuno DFF3D multi-beam sounder. So here on the DFF3D workspace, you can see that we are currently testing our PBG, Personal Bathymetric Generator. Here we have the section of the DFF3D, and on this part we have the sounder that is divided on three parts. We also have a radar connected, so if I go on the radar workspace, I can monitor and I can control the Furuno DRS4D NXT directly from the software. And if you can see here on the camera workspace, I can also control and monitor the camera. Here we have a FLIR M300 camera that I can control directly from the software as well.